Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel in part 2 of Major English Writer from Jacobean to Restoration era. Ben Jonson is best known Jacobean dramatist. His most important work is Every Man in His Humour is a satirical and comedy of humor, and he used to wrote a masque. Masque is a kind of a dramatic entertainment. Ben Jonson work like Volpone, Alchemist and Epicone are very important. Francis Beaumont and John Fetchler wrote collaborative works. Philaster, also called as Love Lie Bleeding, Made Tragedy, Noble Gentleman are collaborative work. John Webster famous work like White Devil, The Duchess of Malfi. Thomas Middleton famous work Women Be Aware Women deal with the theme of corruption is very important. Thomas Haywood famous work Women Killed with Kindness deal with theme of self-starvation and misery. Metaphysical poets, the term coined by Samuel Johnson to describe loose group of 17th century writers. Writers are John Donne, Andrew Marvell, Henry Wahagam, Abraham Cowley and George Herbert. These are very important metaphysical writers. Metaphysical writing deal with use of conceit and playing with word and using wit within the poetry. Cavalier poets are those poets who supported by the king. The style of Cavalier poetry is simple. Writers like Robert Herrick, Richard Lovelace, John Suckling and Thomas Carew. Puritan age most famous writer is John Milton. He served as civil servant for Commonwealth England. He is also called as man of a letter. His most important work, epic poem, is Paradise Lost. On morning of Christ Nativity is also important. Lucidius is an elegy on his friend Edward King. Whose most important prose work of Milton is Doctrine and Discipline of Divorce and Erigopathica, written for licensing order in 1643 to the Parliament of England. Other important writer of Puritan age is John Bunyan. He is known for his best known work Pilgrim Progress. Full title is Pilgrim Progress from this world to that world which is to come. It is a Christian allegory written in when he was in Bedfordshire country prison. Life and Death of Mr. Badman is an allegorical work. Holy War is a novel and allegorical work. Robert Burton. He is best known for his famous classic work Anatomy of Melancholy, which published in 1621. Thomas Browne. He is remembered as English polymath and author. His best known work is Religio Medici. Religio Medici meaning religion of physician. Our Burial is a work based on Roman burial urn which is found on Norwich. Most important writer of Restoration age is John Dryden. He is called as first official poet laureate of England in 1668. He is called as father of English criticism by Samuel Johnson. Most important work of Dryden are White Gallant, Indian Queen, All for Love, Mac Fluckno, Hind and Panther. Samuel Butler, his famous work is Hudibras, which model on Don Quixote. Samuel Pepys, he was president of Royal Member of Society. He is major diary writist in the Restoration age. Thomas Reimer, he coined the poetic justice. His work like Tragedy of Last Age is important. He is famous for his work Love in Wood, Country Wife and The Plain Dealer. John Wahenburg, he wrote his many plays about immorality and vulgarity. His most important play is Replace or Virtue in Danger. William Congreve, he is satirical dialogue and influence on comedy of manner of writing of Restoration period. His most important work is Way of the World. Wilfra Ben, she was the first woman writer who earned through writing. Her famous work is Orneco. Thank you for watching Way of English Literature. Happy learning, think that you can do.